Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to make this beautiful can mock-up in Photoshop. In no time, let's get started. All the images used in this video can be downloaded from freepik.com. Use the selection tool to select the can. Then click on Refine Edge. Make sure to output it as New Layer with Layer Mask. Go to File, then New. Set your own dimensions, then click on OK. Drag the can onto the work path. Also drag the design onto the work path, then resize it over the can. Right-click on the layer and select Create Clipping Mask. Using the Move tool, resize the design over the can to make it look realistic. Hold Shift, then select the layers, right-click and select Merge Layers.
That is all for today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next week.